how to play SiriusXM on Alexa. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap the More button, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Skills and Games from the menu. Use the search bar to type SiriusXM, and then select the SiriusXM skill from the results. Tap Enable to use to activate this skill. You will be prompted to link your SiriusXM account. Sign in with your streaming username and password. If you don't have an account yet, create one on the SiriusXM website first. After linking, you can ask Alexa to play your favorite streaming SiriusXM channels by saying commands like Alexa play this on SiriusXM. Optionally, to make SiriusXM your default music service, go to the Alexa's app settings, then music and podcast, and under default services, select SiriusXM. This lets you just say Alexa play blank without mentioning SiriusXM every time. Note that this method uses the official SiriusXM skill authorized by Amazon and SiriusXM, ensuring a legitimate and safe way to stream content. Subscribe.